This just in from space. We have recorded aliens visiting the Sun, Venus, and Pluto, while spaceship commanders have sent recorded testimony from their spaceships, with even Anakin Skywalker reporting in from Mercury. Let's join them for their reports.
Oh, hi there. I'm Nala, and I'm just looking for the best place to live. Will you help me? Great! My home must be extremely hot, made of only gas, and fit more than 100 Earths inside. Wait, what about the sun? The sun is over 400,000 miles long, with a diameter of over 800,000 miles, so it is definitely large. It can fit 1.3 million Earths inside, become up to 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, and is made up with helium, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. I'm a pretty smart alien, so I can see that this fits all my environmental needs. Thanks for all your help. Bye!
Hello, I'm Anakin, and I'm looking for a new planet since the Galactic Empire is taking over the galaxy with Order 66. The members of the Jedi Temple and I are thinking Mercury is the right planet for us because it's the smallest planet, and the Empire wouldn't think such powerful people would hide there. It's 46 million kilometers from the Sun and takes 88 days to complete orbit. Mercury is named after Roman deity Mercury. It has the same orbit as Venus. It doesn't have any moons and reaches up to 173 degrees Celsius and 280 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a carbon-rich material called graphite that covers Mercury's surface and gives it a dark gray appearance. It is the first planet in the Milky Way galaxy and is hot enough to melt lead.
That planet Earth is way too cold for me. I went to visit because we are neighbors. I live on the second planet and Earth is the third. I like insanely hot planets, unlike Earthlings. That's why I live on Venus. It's lava hot because of its heavy atmosphere. It's so heavy because it's made of carbon dioxide and clouds made of sulfuric acid. Earth is so flat. 1/3 of Venus is completely made up of mountain ranges. My planet also has canals. They are carved by lava flowing and can be up to 5,000 miles long.
Commander Cameron. I live on Pluto, but now it is too cold for me to live there since it is a dwarf planet. There is no warmth now that it is too far from the sun. I'm thinking of Earth because Earth is the third farthest planet from the sun, which makes it warm and cold. Earth is also the only planet that supports life. Earth's lithosphere, the rigid outer part of the Earth consisting of the crust and upward mantle, is divided into several rigid tectonic plates that migrate across the surface over periods of millions of years. I'd rather live there than Pluto. Pluto is minus 369 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 220 degrees Celsius.
I'm an X-Wing pilot, and I'm looking for a new base. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest in the solar system. It has features similar to Earth, such as polar ice caps. It might be able to support life, but on Mars, it rains acid that can burn through you. Acid? I might want to think twice about this one.
Hi, I'm Brody, and I'm a space traveler, and I'm going to talk about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is the fifth closest to the Sun. It has a mass of 1,000th that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system together. Jupiter is a gas giant planet. A gas giant planet is composed of hydrogen and helium, which means it would take a while until you can land on it because gas isn't a solid.
I just got back from visiting my friend's home, Mars. Mars is too hot, that's why I live on Pluto. Pluto is the coldest planet and it's the farthest planet from the Sun. My friend's planet was way too big for me, but Pluto is just the right size because Pluto is a dwarf planet. It's the best planet for me.